Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best drip irrigation kits on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Flantor Garden Irrigation System Kit. The Flantor Garden Irrigation System is suitable for garden, patio, hanging baskets, containers, and greenhouses. Each nozzle can be individually adjusted to suit the watering needs of each plant. The installation is simple and you don't need to worry about digging or plumbing in your garden. The instruction manual that comes with this drip irrigation kit is good and has pictures. The Flantor 1/4 blank distribution tubing watering drip kit is suitable for 20 to 25 square meters of irrigation area. It helps save up to 70% water as compared to watering with a spray head. The drawback of this drip irrigation system is that the pressure at the end of the line is weak, and the tubing can come off when the temperature is high. This product allows you to water all your plants simultaneously with its numerous nozzles and drippers. However, do not be intimidated by its parts. It is very easy to install and use and even includes a manual that can further help you. Pros: nozzle can be individually adjusted. Simple installation. Suitable for 20 to 25 square meters. Saves 70% water. Cons: weak pressure at end of line. Number 2, Raindripper 560 DP Automatic Watering Kit. The Raindripper 560 DP Automatic Watering Kit is a completely customizable irrigation system that ensures that you will save money, time, and water. This is because the kit allows you to use its pressure regulator to reduce water pressure to a manageable flow rate for drip irrigation. Additionally, it has a timer that connects to a faucet or hose and the supply tubing with an adapter and waters your plants automatically, and it also has a fairly simple installation process. Once you install the kit, it will water greenhouse plants even if you are not present. You don't have to hold the water tank and water the plants individually. Now you can enjoy your holidays without worrying about your greenhouse. Using this kit, you can water the seedlings, growing crops, and succulent plants in the greenhouse. It helps with the evaporation process of the excess water and keeps the moisture balance perfect. Therefore, it is highly suitable for watering greenhouse plants. Pros: high quality materials. Saves 70% water. Easy to install and use. Can regulate water pressure. Cons: can leak due to wear and tear. Number 3, Rainbird Drip Irrigation Expansion Kit. While some folks run multiple drip systems, an easier approach for an extensive garden may be to expand the system you already have. The Drip Expansion Kit from Rainbird has all the fittings, nozzles, and tubing you'll need to run extra sections of drip irrigation across your property. It includes 40 pressure compensating, self-piercing emitters, and features a clever installation and removal tool that makes putting emitters and fittings into the lines much easier. Just keep in mind that this is an expansion and repair kit. It doesn't come with any faucet connectors or valves. It's meant for making additions or fixes to your established system, not installing a brand new one. It only has a 3-step installation process, which includes connecting it to a faucet, inserting fittings into tubing, and attaching the watering devices. Once you are done with the installation, you barely have to do anything else to it since it is clog resistant and extremely durable. Pros: plenty of tubing. Comes with a filter and bug guards. Has accessories for most situations. Time and cost efficient. Cons: can be tricky to keep tubing lines organized. Number 4, Maxc Greenhouse Micro Drip Irrigation Kit. The Maxc Drip Irrigation Kit is suitable for agriculture, lawn, garden, greenhouse, flower beds, and patio. This system gives a precision drip watering for your plant's roots. It can help you save 70% more water than you would use with a spray head. The water flow of each drip head can be individually adjusted for each plant. This drip irrigation kit comes with high-quality irrigation tubings and fittings. There are 2 kinds of faucet connectors provided with this system. The drawback of this drip irrigation kit is that it's a little tedious to set up. You also won't have to work up a sweat installing this system because it requires little to no digging. You simply lay it on top of your soil, run tape lines wherever you want them to be, and let the system do the rest. This is also one of the most comprehensive systems because it includes 3 different sprayers and 40 combined misters, nozzles, and drippers. Pros: precision drip watering for plants' roots, saves 70% water, high-quality irrigation tubings and fittings, 2 kinds of faucet connectors. Cons: tedious to set up. Number 5, Maxc a 1/4-inch mist irrigation system. If you are looking for the best automatic water system for a greenhouse, you should check out the Maxc Mist Irrigation Kit. The noteworthy part of this irrigation system is that you will get several accessories with the water hose. According to reviews, most of the customers are happy with this kit. Nonetheless, the kit comes up with 39 pieces of barbed fitting and support stakes. Apart from the quick adapter, it includes different shapes of nozzles to spread a fixed amount of water on the plants. For the Mr. Flow rate, it offers 7 to 7 liters per hour. Furthermore, the watering system provides a 0.3 meter spray diameter and adjustable nozzles with 2 modes. You can use irrigation water management for lawns, swimming pool misting systems, patios, and greenhouses. This ingenious kit includes a 50 feet 1/4 inches tube, a universal size faucet connector, 1/2 or 3/4 inches faucet connector. Also, you will get a quick connector, Teflon tape, 20 pieces of mist nozzle, a 1/4 inches single barbed tee, and support spray stakes.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.